Assalamualaikum at magandang araw, Bangsamoro. Governor Abdurrauf Macaco ng Maguindanao del Norte ibinida ang tagumpay ng pamamahala sa kanyang unang State of the Province Address. Dumalo ang ilang kilalang personalidad sa unang State of the Provincial Address na ginanap sa Cotabato City ngayong araw, June 4, 2024. Kasama sa mga dumalo si BARM Chief Minister Ahud Murad Ibrahim, UPAPRO Secretary Carlito Galvis Jr., mga membro ng BTE Parliament at ilang mga alkalde sa iba't ibang lalawigan. Sa nasabing okasyon, ipinagmalaki ni Provincial Governor Abdurrauf Macaco ang mga natamong tagumpay sa loob ng mahigit isang taon ng kanyang pamamahala sa probinsya. Ilan sa mga ito ay pagsulong sa utilities and energy development, institutional development, at pagpapatayo ng bagong provincial capital sa Sultan Kudarat na may disenyo mula sa Tubaw Design. Patuloy rin ang suporta sa rehabilitasyon ng Awong Airport at Pulyok Port. Isa sa katuparan din ang plano para sa International Airport sa Sultan Mastura, kung saan nilagdaan na ang Memorandum of Understanding sa pagitan ng lokal na pamahalaan ng Sultan Mastura at ng probinsya ng Maguindanao.
And progress we celebrate result from the unwavering dedication and collaboration of the provincial local government unit, our 12 municipalities, and the national and BARM government. Now, let us delve into the achievement we have reached. On infrastructure development, we achieved, number one, a total of 12 kilometers of road had been concreted across the province of Maguindanao del Norte. Number two, rehabilitation of a total of 3.7 kilometer roads in different municipalities. Number three, in collaboration with the Ministry of Public Works, we have successfully concreted a 39 kilometer roads across the 12 municipalities, improving connectivity and accessibility for our residents. Number four, construction of the new fish facilities has boosted our local economy, providing our fisher folk with enhanced facilities to support their livelihood. Number five, construction of the riverbank protection project, safeguarding our communities from flooding and erosion. Construction of line canals and new bridges. Number seven, construction of road networks and farm-to-market roads in various municipalities. Number eight, rehabilitation of the provincial nursery building and its access road in Parang, supported the rehabilitation of public market and ongoing construction of housing units in OP for the victims of Storm Paeng. For social development, supported the MBHT sports program, Palarong Panlalawigan, BARMA, and Palarong Pambansa, benefiting 2,915 athletes, coaches, and officials. Providing pre-let review to 100 para-teachers, volunteer, teachers, and professional development program to the 380 school heads. Provided assistance to 3,000 Madaris learners. Distributed 1,700 hygiene kits to malnourished children train all municipal child representative for child health, education, nutrition, and protection. Provided all rural health units and all district hospitals of the province with 17,625 medical equipments, medicines, and medical supplies through the Gagaw Health Program. Provided support to various programs of the IPHO conducted in different municipalities of the province. Benefited 1,376 patients during the conduct of jury of the series cluster medical missions in the different municipalities. Provided 214 PWD students receive educational cost subsidies in addition to the MSSD beneficiaries. 74 PWDs have been provided assistive devices. Distributed rice and grocery package to 24,000 beneficiaries affected by El Nino in the 12 municipalities of the province. Provided Hadia program to 1,200 senior citizens. Strengthened early child care and development centers in partnership with UNICEF and MSSD, and operationalization the social protection cluster special bodies. On environment development sa kalikasan, planted bamboo trees and prior line project in the Mapatoy Watershed Forest Reserve, distributed fruit tree seedlings to the local farmers through our provincial nursery, ongoing crafting of the provincial solid waste management plan, and supported various program of the MNRI on environmental management protection. On economic development, promotion of robust micro-entrepreneurial activities in the different LGUs in Maguindanao del Norte. Kapag sinabi mong may economic or business activities sa isang area, isa lang ang ibig sabihin, umiikot ang pera at may kabuhayan at pagkakitaan ang mga tao. So hindi na ma-interpret yung once na ma-encounter mo, yung mga kapatid nating Chinese, once na sasabihin sa iyo na long time no see, ang ibig palang sabihin doon is matagal na wala kita. But sa pamamagitan nito, hindi na matagal na wala kita, may kita na kasi nandito na yung umiikot na ang pera ng Maguindanao del Norte. So yung word na matagal nang wala kita, long time no see, wala na yon. You can interpret it directly na may kita na. The province of Maguindanao del Norte has gained recognition for its diverse, rich natural resources. That Tublas in Swat is now identified as the marine capital of the province, while Kabuntalan has emerged as the freshwater fishing capital of the province. Ang ibig sabihin, may peace na ang kailangan natin ang order. Kasi paminsan-minsan may peace pero walang order. But now, we have peace but the order is already there. Construction of provincial landmark, a tourist getaway and traverse in Matanog. Yan ngayon ang traverse natin at saka yung tourism assets natin sa Matanog. Establishment of cultural and tourism asset database. Implementation of agri-tourism project in different LGUs. Implementation of agricultural program to support local farmers, animal protection, and support to livestock and industry. Distributed 3,900 assorted vegetable seeds, and 2,500 garden tools to farmers, and vaccinated, deworm-treated, and supplemented animals, and employed 1,002 college students and out-of-school school youth for the community service through the Provincial Students Employment Program and Summer Job 2024.
Highlights din ang pagpapatayo ng Provincial Medical Center na papangalanan bilang Hashim Salamat Provincial Hospital. Ayon sa gobernador, bagamat marami nang naabot, tunay pa rin marami pang dapat gawin at tinitiyak niyang magpapatuloy ang progresibong nasimulan. Hinikayat din niya ang mamamayan na magkaisa, magtulungan para sa patuloy na pag-unlad ng probinsya. Nagpasalamat din siya kay Pangulong Bongbong Marcos Jr. sa suporta sa pagpapaunlad ng Maguindanao del Norte. At iyan ang aming nakalap na balita sa araw na ito. Joem Rashid Palalisan, Z-Life News Online.